God damn, it's freaking snowing like crazy. Look at that. See that beautiful white car over there? You literally mess it with the snow, with flashing lights. That's my car. Look, right now it's approximately like a couple of inches snow. It's the first blitz, or actually, you know what? This is like the end of the year. So, we're like over here. Look at the kids playing. It's like all the way over here. God in the world. It is. It is. I'm here getting some pizza for the bus. And you actually can't see it, but there's actually a lot of wind. Look at that. Oh, there you see it now. Okay. Alright, that's it. That's good.